Start.
So
Hello, what are you going to do today?
so you mix green in this, right?
No, I made this potion.
Oh,
Okay,
you made this potion?
cool.
Okay, so here's what we did. So this is what it is. So you need any empty old plastic bottle that you get for water or anything. Then you need some clay, like around this much or something, and then you need a straw. So and you also need green color. So you pour water over here, like half of it, and then put a straw. It'll be better if you put a white straw or yellow one. And then you need to cover the
Seal it with
you need to seal it with the Play-Doh. So you need to seal it with the clay, and so there can be a pressure of air inside. Now you need hot water. Well, you need an adult supervision for this.
Hold on, I'll do it. Okay.
So,
I think try to rub it. It says that even if you rub it with the hand, it will come up straight.
okay.
Can you ask Ekansh to rub it?
Don't you want to rub it? Anyway, it's coming a little.
Show me. Yeah, it's already coming up. Cool. Ask Ekansh to rub it.
How?
Just rub it on
Just
the
rub
sides.
it like this.
Help him. It'll fall. Yeah.
Rub
That's
it.
good. Okay, good.
Good. Wait, leave it.
Okay, keep it here. Now we'll try.
Now, if you want to see clearly,
Oh, the water level is rising. Good.
so now you need adult supervision and pour.
Can you
Put this.
be a bit aside?
So just
Stay
move
away, please.
aside. What? You
Because
need
it's
to
hot
move a
water,
little.
you have to be careful.
So with adult supervision, you need to pour hot water in a bowl.
Joy is going to fall.
Let's see if it's coming up.
So let's see. So mainly this thing is like so the air pressure
The air gets heated.
yeah, so the air gets heated and the pressure of the air will be stuck inside because we have sealed it,
It'll push the
and
liquid.
then it'll push the water up the straw. That's the energy of the heat.
I think it's coming up. You see?
Oh, don't touch it.
Let it come up a bit more. Sorry, it's a red colored straw, so we can't see it clearly. But yeah, it's come up. Okay. Maybe you can take notes from here how to do it. Okay, this was a good experiment. So thank you.
So we'll meet you guys next time, and bye.
Bye.